cable car, some fishing line, and the bumper stop. All right, there you have it. One full day with the GoPro cable car. I got some pretty cool shots. I can't wait to go home and take a look at them. You know, with the GoPro 7 stabilization, you can probably get away with some cheap toys like this to get some really interesting shots. So let's go home and check it out. So this is a tin can cable car, a $13 kids toy. Make for a good GoPro accessory. Let's find out. Now this cable car is super easy to use. I have an on-off switch on the right side. I got a reversing bar on top, and what that reversing bar does is it bumps this bumper stop and it kicks a switch on top of here and it reverses direction. So let's check it out. Now the best part of this cable car is it's fully automatic. It's going to come right back to me. And what I like to do is I can adjust the height of the cable cam up and down. I call it walking the dog. I can just adjust the height. And where this cable cam excels is low and slow shots. Since it's moving so slow, you keep it like down low, close to your subject matter, and it gives you this real nice fast relative motion. At the same time, you're getting this super slow peripheral environment flow, and you put that all together in Final Cut Pro and you slap some 50% slow motion on it, and it turns out to be really nice cinematic looking B-roll. So I would say for $12.70 that is, on Amazon, this is probably one of the best deals out there in terms of a GoPro accessory. Now assembly was super easy. I mean, this is a freaking kid's toy for ages 8 and above with super easy to read instructions. The assembly time only took me about an hour. All I needed was a screwdriver, some super glue to attach the GoPro mounts to the chassis, and some batteries to make it run, and you're off to the races. Now I did paint it to make it look cooler and to go with the GoPro Hero 7 Black theme. I just think it looks awesome. The build quality and the durability is phenomenal for a $13 toy. I mean, I ran this thing over and over again yesterday, non-stop, and the thing's still rocking and rolling. I just can't believe it. You know, 2 rubber bands, some pieces of plastic, and batteries. Just be careful. Quick tip, when you're super gluing the GoPro mounts to the cable car, just make sure you don't glue the battery compartment shut like I almost did. And that's it. Super easy, super cheap. It's a great alternative to some drone footage, or it's a great way to supplement your drone footage. If you haven't seen it, haven't heard of it, go check out the Tin Can Cable Car by 4M. I'll post a link in the description below so you can go check it out on Amazon. All right, that wraps it up for the cable car. Let's go to the giveaway. In order to win, you had to comment on the video and let me know what your favorite reel was. Let's pick a winner. Ozark Outlaw, congratulations. My favorite reel is Zebco 33. You nailed it on the head, boss.